All right, everybody. So you remember last week, oh yeah, by the way, today is Thoughtful Thursday. So remember last week we looked at Cape Town and the drought. And before that, we were looking at Yemen, right? So there was an airstrike in Yemen coming out of 3 years of civil war and unrest. And so, one of you guys definitely said, hey, Mr. Knapp, are we gonna watch another depressing video again? And so the idea is that we're toggling back and forth between Thoughtful Thursdays and Future Fridays. And so we're going to revisit Yemen and check out a video about what people are doing to help that problem in Yemen, right? Because again, your job right now in your community project is identifying a problem and then thinking forward to what a solution might be. So this is by a group called Enabling the Future. And they actually do 3D printed prosthetics for people. So this video is about the making of a 3D prosthetic and then putting that onto someone who had lost a limb in the civil war in Yemen. So y'all check this out, and then you can use the remaining class time to continue working on your project guides, because you need to complete, I think it's page 13 is your community needs. Again, because your ultimate goal is to say, here is my one community that I'm going to focus on, and here's the one need that we are going to address. We're not thinking about solution just yet, but what is the community? What is the need? And the next step is you're going to be your planning phase, and then you're going to think about possible solutions to that idea. So again, by the end of this week, we need to have determined a community and a need, and then we'll start doing some reflections around Future Friday coming up. So that's it. Teachers or students, remind your teachers, when you pull up this video on the website, click to enable the sound. It's just better than watching a silent video. And also you can make it full screen. So, all right, thanks guys.